Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Miss Meryl. So today's video it's a day of Saturday and yung alago ako ay wala dito and I'm planned to go outside, so I changed now. I want to go in the Point 90 mall to watching I want to refresh my mind. And I want to go outside without my friends from here, my co-workers from here. So I need to refresh my mind and my eyes from them. So I'm gonna go to watch Jurassic Park today. So of course, support natin si Miss Catriona Gray, a Filipina Miss Universe 2018. So yun. At manonood ako guys. Mag-isa lang ako. I'm alone, but it's okay. I carry on being alone. So yun guys. Mag-ano na ako. I'm not bring my friend because my friend with Zane, my Filipina friend with Zane, so I'm allowed to go. I want to bring here, but my madam is let her to go with Zane, so I'm gonna go now. I take over. Hi guys, nandito na ako sa cinema. Ako lang mag-isa. Kadit ko yung sarili ko, so okay lang. 6:45 pa naman mag-i-start yung Jurassic yung papanoorin ko. 6:45 pa naman. So, stay muna ako dito. Upo muna ako, tapos gamaya bibili ako ng popcorn. Saka, ang baho talaga na sa garamnya. Oh, very good. Hi guys. Good evening. I am here outside because Zane is still swimming. I don't want to swim, but because I feel lazy today, I feel sleepy. But Zane is still swimming at night. Swimming night. Yalla! Swim!
Mommy,
Yan.
can we play a game?
Games eh.
Say something out of the water and I will try to guess.
Okay.
Yalla. Come here, Shwaya. I can't see you from there if I go down. So come
No,
here.
you go down from the under the water and then I tell to you. I will.
Okay, come. Come here. Come.
No, I mean you swim under the water, so you not heard what I said.
Yes, okay.
Yalla, go down.
Ask me from here. I will not hear you from there.
Ask what?
Tell me from here. You need to come stand up here, but I will not hear you from there.
No, you will hear me because my
loud.
it's so loud.
Okay, yalla. 3, 2,
Try.
1.
Zen.
You see?
Yeah.
Huh? I can't hear anything.
Yes, you can. So you can guess.
3. No, I can't.
No, you need to guess what I said.
Okay, say again, kira.
Zen.
Say again.
Okay. Mikey.
Easy, Mikey.
I told you.